Hey there, welcome to the Science of It. I'm resident nerd Eric Burris, joined by Zach here from the Science Center. And Zach, this is a cool little contraption.
Yeah, this is called the Van de Graaff generator. It was invented by a scientist. I bet you can guess his name.
Van de Graaff?
Exactly correct, cool. Yes. And so Van de Graaff basically wanted to be able to harness the thing called static electricity. Basically, instead of rubbing our socks on feet and then just going ahead and touching a doorknob, we're going to be able to use this belt right here.
Okay.
It's made out of a particular rubber. It's kind of like a fly trap, but just for electrons.
Sure.
It's going to pull all of the electrons out of our metal dome and put it all the way over here into my little metal wand.
Okay.
So go ahead, I'll crank this.
Okay.
And then if you listen closely,
oh, yeah.
you can start hearing and seeing some zaps.
And you're generating that electricity with your energy.
Exactly. A little bit of elbow grease goes a long way.
Yeah.
And we're basically just stripping those electrons,
Sure.
right? And those electrons are very negatively charged. So when we take them all out of here, this dome becomes very positively charged, right? It's just a bunch of protons and neutrons. And so those like charges actually repel each other. So if we go ahead and give our Van de Graaff generator a little hat.
Love it.
And then I give it about 15 more hats. We'll be able to do a really cool experiment where all of these positive charges are going to throw all of its hats off everywhere.
Really?
So we'll do that.
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at that! How cool is that? I love that.
So all of these electrons are getting stripped away from our Van de Graaff generator and all of its hats.
Yeah.
And so it becomes very positively charged, and one by one just repels off of each other.
And it's so neat that and I'm sure that there are applications to this in our everyday world.
Exactly,
right?
yeah. So this static electricity we're able to then harness and use in our actual current electricity, right? Alternating current and direct current.
Right.
And so we needed to get a fundamental understanding of this before we can apply it. And so it's just our first steps into controlling this wacky phenomenon of electricity.
Love it. Thank you very much, Zach. Thank you. And thank you for joining us for the Science of It.